husband passed away recently, and we get a regular pension of about rupees 30,000 per month. So I wanted to know from you how we can, manage that money effectively, and also my income and my savings, all has to be together, Plus, I don't want to spend, do too much of a very middle level I want to do, and yet I want my money to grow.
Understand your apprehension, and I also understand saying that you are at a place where you have money, but you have to prudently invest that so that you get a regular income. How does that work is, I will have to sit with you and understand, you will have to share with me saying that what is your monthly expenses, which is your grocery, your fruits, your electricity bill, your telephone bill, your cable bill, you go out somewhere to eat, or you have to have some movie expenses, your medical expenses. What is all that? So when you put down all those numbers, then we will come to understand saying that what is your regular monthly expense. Once we come to that regular monthly expense, then we will have to see that the corpus that you have, the money in the bank, the money in whatever investments that you have done, how can we prudently invest by getting regular income and also some money for appreciating for the longer period of time, so that we can sustain your expenses over a period of time. And then we have to plan and allocate your investment into different vehicles of investment, which could be fixed deposits. Some you will have to invest in equities for long-term appreciations through mutual funds or any of those vehicles. You will also have to invest some money into short-term investments, whereby saying that if you fall sick, if you fall any contingency expense, then how do you fall back on? Most of the time what happens is we only think of expenses of household and all. Now let's say that you have a home where you are staying and the building is going to go for a repair and the maintenance charges goes up. Correct? So how would you come and fall back on those expenses? Then you will have to go back to your savings and pull back that money and give. Ideally, what we should do is look at your corpus, look at your investment, and then analyze saying that what's your monthly income, what is the contingency you want to keep there. All of these aspects have to be taken care of. You have to invest the investment into different asset classes, into different buckets, to see that you can run your house today and you can also live sustainably over the next 15-20 years, because the most important thing is life expectancy has gone up. Even if when people retire at 60-65, they still are going to live for 30-35 years more. So you have to take care of your expenses today and also the long term.